Hello, today we will replace earpads and headband cushion pad for these popular Sennheiser HD25 DJ headphones. Old earpads are worn out as they are based on work headphones and they worn out much quicker. Start with removing the cushion, it's easy peasy. And here's the old cushion and filter. Dead! Do the same with the other side of the earpad. Then tear off old headband cushion pads, but carefully so they don't fall apart into smaller parts. Here's the difference between old and new headband cushion pad. I think there's no need telling why I want to change those two. To install the new earpad, tear off double-sided tape protector, but not all, and then carefully glue the new earpad in previous place. Do it precisely along the edge, because regluing it will be hardcore, because they stick very well. Then do the same operation to the other earpad. Here's how the new headband cushion pad looks on my headphones. Nice! Start with stretching the new earpad's rubber edge to make setting it up easier. Then take the new filter and put the earpad on it. This process will be pretty time consuming, but after some tries result will be similar to mine. Some patience and you'll be successful in no time. When earpad is on, arrange the filter. Put it on and try to do the same thing with the other earpad. Maybe you can use your stopwatch to check if your skills have increased. Sadly, I had the same problems with the other earpad. As I said, this process is really annoying. Whew, I actually did it. Here are the new earpads. I like them, looks brand new. They can be used again for about 2 years, hey. So, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and I hope that this tutorial will help you.